Give me a round of applause. It was positive. Can you arrange that again? I think that's the arrangement I was looking for actually. Arrange that again.
Positive.
Positive. Moderate. Linear. Correlation. So maybe we put the positives or negative first, followed by the strength, followed by the linearity. This is a very good arrangement. Thank you, sir. F. Marco.
It's not linear.
Moderate. Good. You never said anything about positive or negative.
Oh, it's positive.
It is positive, moderate, non-linear correlation. With or without outlier? Without an outlier. Does it make sense? So this is just a brief about what, bless you, our correlation. Now, let's get to understand what this what is it called now? Explanatory and response variable is. Which of them do you think is X? Which of them do you think is Y?
Response would be Y. Yeah.
X is what?
Explanatory.
Are you sure?
Yes.
And Y is?
Response.
That makes sense. You can visualize it as, oh, Y respond to whatever X is. Is that not? Y is the one that depends on what X is. Now, let's look at this question together. Think before you answer. Tiffany is a hairdresser. Hi, Tiffany. I was going to say that looks like Anson's sketch. If someone has sketched Anson, it's probably going to look like that. Anyway. So make sure you show her when you get home. Like, Mom, did any sketch artist give yours like some emoji that looks like you? Okay, now Tiffany is a hairdresser. The table below shows the number of hours she worked each day of last week and the number of customers she had.
Whoa.
So on Monday, wait, what's the problem? Did I miss something? So let's focus, please. No time. On Monday, she worked for 8 hours and she had 9 customers. On Tuesday, she had this customer, and so on. Which is the explanatory variable and which is the response variable? Who wants to go first? So basically, we are asking you which is the X and which is the Y. Let's start with Rita.
X is the hours work, and Y is the number of customers.
So X is which variable? Respond like that. I just texted X and Y to make it easier. So you use the term used in the question.
Okay, so the hours work is the explanatory variable, and numbers of customers work is the response variable.
Can anybody tell us why? Anyone? Tell us why that is correct or not correct. Yes, yeah.
Because you can control the hours you work, but you cannot control the numbers of customers.
That's it. So you work less hours, you get less customers. You work longer hours, you get more customers. Just like you substitute a smaller value of X, you get a smaller value of Y. Do you understand that? Yeah. You substitute a larger value of X, especially if you are having a positive gradient line. Am I making sense now? So yes, you are right. Thank you. Draw a scatter plot. Now, to draw a scatter plot, we're going to also use calculator later. We probably have to go, but give me 2 minutes. To draw a scatter plot, because I'm going to give you a worksheet, I actually thought we'll practice it in class. Maybe I won't give you the worksheet, we'll practice it first class tomorrow, okay? 2 things I want you to have in mind. Your scatter plot is an approximation, right? Please look at this. Again, I'm taking this as a review because you've had an idea from IGCSE classes. So I'm not treating it like something, I just want to go a bit deeper. The scatter plot is easy, right? Because I'm going to combine the scatter plot and the line of best fit together so we can work faster. Scatter plot is just for every x, locate the y. For every x, locate the y. If this is about scatter plot alone, I might as well just give you no need. It's not scatter plot alone. For every x, we put the y, we plot this way, and you leave it. This is scatter plot. And you can be asked to comment on the relationship based on the scatter plots. And of course, you mention these keywords. Okay? Tomorrow, in addition to practicing scatter plot, we're going to draw something called the line of best fit. Again, it's not the only line that can describe the relationship based on the scatter plot, but it's the one that best fits it. But one key point is that your line of best fit must go through the mean point. Mean point, we mean that the mean of hours worked is a number. The mean number of customers is a number. If the mean of hours plot is x bar, and this is y bar, the coordinates x bar, y bar must be on that line. We'll talk about that tomorrow, okay? So if I find the main point, and this is my main point, it means my line of best fit must go through this point. Then you place your ruler such that you have the rest of the point almost evenly distributed above and below the line. So something like this would be wrong because I have few here, I have more here, even though it passes through my midpoint. But something like this might make sense. Do you understand that? Okay? So we will continue from here tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Want to take a photo of this?